Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to load money on Presto card. Let's get started. First, open up the Presto app on your phone and simply log in to your account. Now, once you're logged in, your home page will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on the option that says Load Funds. After tapping that, the first step is to select the amount you'd like to load onto your card. For this demonstration, I'll simply choose to load $20. Select your desired amount. Once you've chosen the amount, the app will provide you with two different payment methods. The first payment option is Apple Pay. The second option is to use a credit card or your debit card. For this video, I'll simply choose to pay with my debit card. Now, once you've selected your payment method, you'll need to enter your card details. This includes information such as your cardholder name, the 16-digit card number, the card's expiry date, and the CVV security code from the back. After entering your card details, you'll also need to enter your billing address. This includes your full street address, your city, country, province, and finally your postal code. Simply enter all of that information correctly into the provided fields. Once you've entered all of your payment and billing information, you're ready to finalize the transaction. Tap on the option that says Checkout, or Proceed to Checkout. Now, for the final step, you need to have your physical debit or credit card nearby. On the checkout screen, tap on the option that says Load Now or Tap to Pay. The app will then activate your phone's NFC reader. Simply hold your card against the back of your phone, tap your card on your phone, and once you've done that, the app will automatically detect your card through the NFC connection. It will then process the payment and instantly load the money into your Presto card. And that is basically how you load funds to your Presto card using the mobile app. The funds are typically available for use immediately after the successful tap.